this is an Android Studio. You have to open from here, then click on new project. Here you can see new project. Okay, and if
Yes.
you want to start from Java, then you have to choose this one,
Yes.
empty view activity. Okay, then
Yes.
next, your app name will be here, demo app 2. Okay, this is the package name, which should be unique always. Okay,
Okay.
this show your app's identity on any device, any Android phone.
Yes.
Okay, this is the location of the project.
Yes.
Then let me change the location. Okay, no worries. ठीक है. And then language Java. Then this is the API level, which should be minimum API level supported for this application. Okay, API level is for a particular Android device. Okay, are you comfortable in English or Hindi, Adarsh?
English.
Okay, okay. So then yeah, API is for Android API is the device version, we can say.
Yes.
Do you know what is the current version of Android? I mean the latest one. This is the latest one. Android 34. 34. Yes, yes. Android 14. Basically, we say Android 14. This is the API level. This is the version.
Okay.
Okay, and we also have the oldest versions as well, Android 4, Android 5, Android 6, but we should not use this because in real there will be very like minimum people which are using that, so we should use uh, like we can check from here ki 98% of devices, uh, it will be supported in 98% of devices. Okay,
Yes.
then we have to use which Gradle you want to you want for this project. So we should use Kotlin always because this is the recommended, you can see.
Yes.
Okay, I will tell you what is Gradle. Now finish. It takes a lot of time in loading, but meanwhile I will explain you the app the structure of the class. Okay, so
Okay.
in every class there will be package name on the top. Okay, package name in the sense in which module the app is.
Okay.
Yeah, means this location of the, sorry, location of the class, we can say in short. So this is the app location, like inside this these folders. Okay,
Okay.
the classes location. I will switch to XML. Here we have three I mean we can see it in three modes. So I will switch to split mode so that I can see the code as well as design here.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the design. We can change the design from here, like color, uh, we can choose white, and from here we can change the color. We can change the size of text. Okay,
Okay.
like 50 dp is density pixel. Okay, for Android app development. So are you aware about the XML coding, or shall I continue with the same?
Continue. because I don't XML coding.
Okay, okay, okay. So here we have on the top we have a XML tag. It is showing that this is built in XML language. Okay. Then we
Yes.
have constant layout. Okay.
Yes.
Constant layout means it's kind of a cover or it's kind of envelope for holding whole content.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And we are providing it match parent means it should cover the whole screen size, and whole
Yes.
screen is kind of Android screens UI. Okay.
Yes.
And inside that we have a text, so we have started the text with this tag. I will create one another text in below this. Let's say we are creating a button.
Yes.
Okay, I have choose button from here. Then it is asking for its width, so I will say it should cover whole screen size, and height should be wrap content means whatever content will be inside it, it will
Yes.
increase as per that. We can set tags on it. Tags abcd name my Android class, anything. Okay.
Yes.
Now we have to provide it an appropriate position, but I will we can do it later on. It's on top as of now.
Okay.
And next we can provide its size, the text size. Okay. So you just need to write text size and you can choose from here text size,
Yes.
and you can provide it like 60 dp. Although
Yes.
60 dp is too much, but just for your understanding I am providing it a big size. If we
Yes.
provide it 90, then it will be more bigger. If we provide it 10, then it will be not visible, like kind
Yes.
of. Okay. We can provide a color to its background as well. Okay.
Okay.
uh, Background tint. Okay. Background tint you can provide color in hexa mode kind of. So you can change from here as well. If you don't remember the color codes now, you can just go here like this and change it. Any question?
No.
Okay, okay, ठीक है. Just be comfortable, okay?
Okay.
It's normal, like you can ask anything. I understand that you are learning from starting.
Okay.
You can ask even anything. What is this tag? What is this button? What is difference between button and tags? Anything. It's fine. It's totally fine.
Okay.
Okay. Now we are going to change the text size. It's not here. That means we are doing some mistake.
Yes.
Okay. Just write size. We have already written text size, so that's why I forgot it. We have already provided the text size here. Now text color. Text color. Okay.
Okay.
And we can, in the starting we can choose this white. Okay. And we can change from here. On this side there is a, I mean, a small box which show that we can change color from here as well. Okay. We can change its color to anything, like Okay. So I have changed its color. Now I will tell you how can you create a new a new device. So you have to go to device manager. Okay, then create virtual device. Here is the device manager. Okay, here. Then create virtual device. Here is the create virtual device plus icon. Then click on create. I will help you with it. Okay, you can share your screen after this one. Okay,
Yes.
now I am choosing a medium phone, or any phone we can choose from here. There is a lot of options, or
Yes.
Pixel 8 Pro. Next, then we have to download one version out of these. Okay, in our Android phone itself we have some version downloaded. Okay, so we are going to download this one.
Yes.
This is the most stable version. Okay, so I'm going to download. I have already downloaded it. You can download it by clicking over here, the download icon. So I have already downloaded, so it's not showing that icon. Okay, then next, and you can click on finish.
Yes.
So it's created here, Pixel 8.
Yes.
Okay, you can run it from here. So it started. This is the Android phone. I mean, you don't require any Android phone if you want to uh, run any application.
Okay.
Okay, just you need Android Studio, and you can create multiple emulators from here.
Okay.
Okay, now this is like this part is very easy. You can easily understand and uh, code it. I mean, we have created a text which show a heading kind of thing. We have created a button which show a clickable kind of thing ki you can submit it.
Yes.
So in those cases we use buttons. Okay, next I will show you what if you want to enter your name. So for that you can use edit text. Then you can provide a width and height to it, and then that's all. I think that's all. But it's overlapped, so you have to provide a location to it. So let's provide it a location to bottom, or let's provide the location of button to bottom. Okay, so button ko if we want to set on the bottom, then we will write bottom. Okay, so bottom to the bottom of this one. This constraint will help to put it on the bottom of the screen. So it's on the bottom of the screen now using this line. Okay, clear. Now I'm changing its text so that it will show its correct responsibility. Submit. Okay, let's provide I'm running the app on this Pixel 8 now. Okay, it's showing me that Pixel 8 Pro API. I'm running it now. Here we want to provide a hint. Please enter username. Okay,
Yeah.
so it will be inside this showing that you have to enter username,
Yes.
and this will take.
What does that Hindi means?
Mm-hmm.
It is tested.
Yeah, yeah, tell me.
What is that Hindi means?
Which means?
Hindi.
Okay, hint. Hint means if you want to show user key, what do you want to, what is the uh, role of this box basically. Okay, like if you want to show user ki please enter password, so this hint will be kind of a specifier which show what type of the box, what is the responsibility of the box.
Yes.
Okay, like similarly if I am copying it and I will paste it right below it here, and I am writing please enter password. Okay, and we have to provide it a position now because it's overlapped with it, so it should be on the top of top of top to the top of parent. You will understand these constant uh, after proper implementing it. These are not tough. If you want to set it on the top, then you can write top to the top. If you want to.
That only one for I didn't understand.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, tell me
Top to the
others.
top to the top.
Ha. Top to the top means if you want to set something on the top. Okay,
Yes.
although its position will be default on the top, but still you have to provide a position to it.
Yes.
Okay, so we are saying that it will be on the top of the screen, then it will be below this one,
Yes.
below this one, the username. So we have to
Yes.
provide an id to it.
Yes.
So id will be like this:
Yes.
edit text username. Okay, and you can say that either you can drag from here as well. You pointed to its top and you can just drag like this. So here username and password both are there. Okay, I was running the app and it's showing me error that the SDK version should be 35. Okay, okay, so I need to change the SDK version. From here 34 to 35 and sync it. If you will face this type of issue now, you just have to change it to 35 or tell me, and you have to click on the sync button. After that, this is a sync button. Okay, so using this you have changed it to 35. The library will be updated as per the SDK version 35. Okay, now I have again run the application from this icon, and it's launching on device. This is the device. Okay, now you can see this is a kind of button. You can see some animation on clicking here. This is kind of title. Okay, and this is a box where we click and we can enter a username and a password. ठीक है?
Yes.
Now you can ask me question. If you have any question, you can ask me. No? Okay.
No.
Okay. So next we will make a better design from it. Okay. So here the title should be on the top, and let's change the title login screen or login here. Okay. And it should be on the top. Okay. So we can remove the bottom constraint from here, क्योंकि we have added all the constraint. These are the constraint which show where do we have to set this component. Okay. ठीक है. So here for example we are saying it that it should be on the bottom, it should be on the end, it should be on the start, and it should be on the top. So it make average of these all four and set in it on the center, because it is saying that it should be on the all the directions. So we will remove the bottom one and it will be on the top then. Okay. Now next is submit button is on the bottom, which is correct. Now edit text should be on the center. Okay. So to make it on the center, we will say that it will be on the bottom of the bottom as well, and now it will make average of these two constraint and it will set it on the center of the screen.
Okay.
Okay. Now we can provide a, these are very I mean overlapped kind of, so we should provide a space between these two vertically. So margin top, we can give a margin from top, let's say 30 dp. So everything is dp here. Okay, density pixel, we are providing a space of 30 dp between these. Okay. Now let's provide an image below this so that it will look better. But before that we will provide a margin, or what to say, padding. Padding is something we apply on the top constraint. Okay. Top layout, top component. So padding is similar like margin. So we are saying it should be 30 dp from all the corners. So you can see there is difference of 30 dp for all the components from other corners. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now we can set an image below this. Okay, image, login type of image. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे we will create a image view. इसकी height we will provide a height of 100 dp. ठीक है, and 100 dp. And src, let's set an image of Android, no, anything like user. Okay, let's download an image first. Login logo. ठीक है. Login here. ठीक है. This type of image, let's say, or this type of image maybe. We will download it. Save image in new tab. Save image as. ठीक है, login. ठीक है, on the downloads we have copied it and we have to paste it on drawable folder. ठीक है, login png. Then we will be able to use it here. ठीक है, clear?
Tell me once more. I didn't understand.
Yeah, tell me.
Can you tell me?
Others, you are not audible.
Can you tell me once more?
Yes. See what I have done. If I will align it first, okay? I will align it first. It should be on the center, so we will concentrate it towards right, then left, then below the title. But title should have an ID. Text title. If you provide it an ID, you will be easily set the logo below it. Okay, we have set it and we will provide a margin top 20 dp and its width should be wrap content. I guess it will look better than only. Okay, not even 20, 40 is fine. ठीक है, I will explain it again. So we wanted to add an image like this on the UI. Okay, I will run it. I will show it on the emulator ones. How is it looking like? Previously it was like this. We have aligned it better. Now it will look like this only, like this one. Okay, but it doesn't look same like this. Means you can see here on the left there is some space, but on the design it's not like that. I will explain why. Okay, so you were telling me to explain it again, right? So we wanted to add an image like this here.
Yes.
Okay, we have started with the tag of image, then we have provided a width to it. Wrap content means whatever width will be, it's like it's, if let's say its width is 500 pixel, so it will provide it that width, and we are providing a height, or we can say ki whatever height is it, it will surround it. But see, we can't do like that. If its height will be more, then it will overlap the other content, so we have to provide proper specific height. Okay, so that it will not overlap other things. Then after that we have downloaded or whatever, you can add any image. Okay, it's a png image. You can add jpg or png images easily here. Just copy from here, like I am adding an image. I don't know which image. I mean, we can add any image like I have added from here. I have copied it to the resources drawable folder. Okay, you have to copy it to the drawable folder, and then after that you can use that here. Okay, So we have src tag to add the image from drawable. So the image name is login. Then we have provided a margin from top so that there will be some difference between the title and the image. And then we have set it on the bottom of this id. Which one? This title. Okay, any question?
Can you tell me once more?
Do you want me to explain it again?
Yes.
Yes, I will explain everything again. So we have started with it empty, a constant layout with only this text, right?
Yes.
Then we wanted that we should have a image here. So we have added like a image, and I will explain it again one by one how we have added the things. Then after that we have added a button. Okay, so button, it's not sure कि button should be at the end. It's not necessary. It can be on the top. It can be on the top, but you have to provide its position. Okay, so this is the line which show its position, that it
Okay.
will be on the bottom of the screen. Its background color will be this color, and we have to provide the color code. Its text color will be this. You can change its text color to any other colors. Okay, the code will change accordingly. You can provide a height to the box, to the text, like 30. So it will increase, and the height will increase and decrease accordingly. You can see, if you provide it 10, then the size of the button decreases, because we have written that the height should wrap content, means whatever content will be inside this, height should increase or decrease as per that. Let's say I am again doing 100, its height increases. I am doing it 50, its height decreases to cover 50. Okay, I am doing it 30, so its height decreases as per that. Okay, similarly we can say a wrap content for width as well. So its width will be will be as much as its content is. So content is the text. Now what if you want to put it on the center? You have to drag it towards right. Similarly you have to say it a little bit left, and it will be on the center. So eventually it have added these three lines to make this alignment. Okay, so first line show that it will be on the bottom of the parent, right? That is correct. Second line show it will be on the end of the parent. It's not on the end, because it's on the start as well, so it will be on the center always. Okay,
Okay.
it will be on the center, right? So is this one clear?
Yes.
Okay, next we have started with edit text. Okay, so in edit text is basically for entering something, like if we want to say ki my name is Amila, my password is 1234567 8, right? And you want to submit it. Okay, so it is for this purpose. So edit text we have created with this tag, then we have provided an id to it, you know. So there should be an id for every component so that we can understand how to get these values from these boxes, or how to align the other box as per this box. Means if we want to set a box right below this one, okay, then we have to provide an id and say it should be on the bottom of the previous box, this box. Okay, so we have added text here, we have its width, we have its height. Width match parent means it will cover whole screen size width, and height means wrap content means it will cover your content only. Like let's say your content is more, so its size increases as per that, you can say. Okay, similarly for this edit text as well. Now it's on the center because we have two constraint here, that it should be on the top as well as on the bottom, so it will balance it to the center. Now this one is on the center. What about this one, the next one? So the next one will, we want to provide a difference from the upper one, so we have provided 30 dp here. It's a density pixel from the top one, and then we have provided a hint which show that what is the purpose of this box. Hint, see, hint is not a text but it's a kind of, you know, indicator what should be inside this box. As soon as you start entering, it will remove, it will disappear. Okay, then we have provided a constraint to it that it should be on the bottom of this edit text. So we have provided the id of edit text here and it's on the bottom of it. So this is all about alignment of all the components. It's easy, okay, you can understand it easily when you start practicing.
Yes.
Okay, it's not that tough, we are using repeated things here. So if you want to make boxes, you have to do like this every time. There's no differences, okay. Like if you want to add another, you have to provide an id to it. Provide an id like text password, okay, and then add a new box inside below this, and just change its id to phone. All the ids should be unique and it should be below et password, sorry, whatever id is this, text password, so it's below this. Now phone number, okay, like this. So it's not tough, like you have to just copy and paste after that. As soon as you start you learn it, you just have to do like this, copy paste, copy paste, okay. Just change its id and its content, that's all. Any question?
No doubt.
Okay, so you can see in the first class itself, you can easily, you know, learn this type of just ui implementation. So if you want to build your own projects, you can start with this, like making a simple ui like this. And on the top you can say margin from all direction 30 dp. So as soon as you relaunch the app, it will provide a difference from all the direction. See, now it's working fine. Now what if you want a password of star type, or it should be not visible to other users, right? So you can say its type is input type is password. This one, this text password is something I didn't write. Okay, you have to write here password, and you can choose from drop down this line. And what if you want to say that you want to open a keyboard specific to phone number only, not the text, not these. A user should not be able to enter the text, characters here. So you have to write here input type number. Okay, now I will run it again. Now you can see difference. And when you go here, you can remove it, and only numbers will be visible here. I am talking about keyboard in this case. Clear?
Okay.